Here we are, big old farm over in Stockport this morning. Lovely views. Just installed a Starlink for a customer. Nice straightforward install. Out of sight, around the back of the building. 12 by 12 galvanised bracket, heavy duty, 2-foot mast, just to take it above this wall line here. Cables right along the top of the wall, along through the mortar and in through an existing hole there. We've replaced this big old thing which was only receiving around 8 to 9 megabytes per second. He chose the £55 a month subscription, which enables him 200 megabytes plus per second. Gets wired through that little barn area there, through that next loft there, and in to his office in there, where he's got a network switch that branches off to multiple mesh systems around his property. This is Aaron, professional Starlink installation.